once again welcome back to my channel. Friends, in last video we talked much about the types of vitamins. In this video we will talk about the foods which are rich in different type of vitamins. Like first of all, vitamin A. This vitamin plays a really big part in eyesight. Vitamin A is very important for night vision. It helps your body fight infections by boosting your immune system. The foods which are rich in vitamin A are mainly milk, liver, orange fruits and vegetables, and dark green leafy vegetables. Now second is B vitamins. Vitamin B is not a single vitamin, actually it is a group of various vitamins. The listed B vitamins are vitamin B1, B2, B6, B12, niacin, folic acid, biotin and pantothenic acid. All these comes under one umbrella, that is B vitamins. The B vitamins are important in metabolic activity. This means that they help make energy and set it free when your body needs. The group of vitamins is also involved in making RBCs, which carry oxygen throughout your body. Even every part of your body needs oxygen to work. So these B vitamins are very important. Now the foods which are rich in vitamin B are whole grains such as wheats, fish and seafood, poultry, meat, eggs, dairy products, milk, bees. Now what is vitamin C? Vitamin C is important for keeping body tissues such as gums, bones and blood vessels in good shape. Vitamin C is also key if you get a cut or wound because it helps you heal. Now the food which are important, a rich source of vitamin C are citrus food like oranges, strawberries, tomato, cabbage, kiwi fruit. Now what is vitamin D? Vitamin D is the vitamin you need for strong bones. It is also great for forming strong teeth. Vitamin D even lends a hand to an important mineral. Vitamin D is made in the skin when exposed to sunlight. The foods which are rich in vitamin D are milk, which also constitutes vitamin D, fish, cereal, liver and egg yolks. Now what is vitamin E? Everybody needs vitamin E. This hard working vitamin protects your cells and tissues for damage. It is also important for the health of RBC. Whole grains, wheat germ, leafy green vegetables, sunflower and olive oil, egg yolks, nuts, these are important source of vitamin E. Now lastly, vitamin K is the also very important vitamin and it is essential for clotting. Your blood did something special, that is, first of all about the clotting. If your body is in a lack of vitamin K, then bleeding occurs. This is when certain cells in your blood act like glue and stick together at the surface to help stop the bleeding. So vitamin K is essential for stopping of the bleeding. The food which are rich in vitamin K are leafy green vegetables, dairy products, soybean oil and milk is also very important. So friends, in this video we have talked about the various types of vitamins and the sources of vitamins other than the medicines we talked in this video, and this is just a video to share about the normal things we eat in our daily life routine, and if we take these such food products daily in our routine, so we can get rid of the deficiency of the vitamins. So friend, I hope this video is important and useful for the purpose of your health, and wish you very good luck. Stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.